Hi everyone, I'm Yusuf, founder and managing director of Maldicore. With over 25 years of industry experience, I've learned one thing for sure. Branding is the backbone of every successful business. Today, I'm excited to kick off our branding series by taking you behind the scenes and showing you how we at Maldicore approach branding discovery sessions. Whether you're a startup, a growing business, or an established enterprise looking to refine your identity, this process is designed to uncover the essence of your brand. If your business is led by just one or two key decision makers, the visionary minds behind the operation, we typically start with a focused meeting. In this meeting, we go through a set of structured branding questions to dig deep into the essence of your business. You can check out our branding questionnaire at https://o.maldicore.com/b. Feel free to use it. It's a great starting point. But what if there are more than two people involved? That's where things get tricky. Meetings often fall short when you need input from multiple stakeholders. Instead, we run branding workshops, highly interactive, inclusive, and creative sessions designed to get everyone on the same page. Before I dive into the workshop structure, let me share a few keys to success for meetings and workshops that we've learned over the years. Set clear objectives. Know exactly what you want to achieve before the session starts. For meetings, this means having a defined set of questions. For workshops, it means having a structured plan. Keep the group size appropriate. For meetings, one, two decision makers work best. For workshops, aim for five, eight participants to ensure diverse input without overwhelming the process. Encourage participation. Everyone's voice matters. In workshops, create a safe, fun environment where all participants feel comfortable contributing. Stay on track. Set time limits for each activity and gently guide the team back if discussions drift off topic. Use visuals. Incorporate tools like post-its, whiteboards, and templates to keep the session interactive and engaging. Take breaks. Whether it's a quick coffee break or time to recharge, stepping away helps participants stay focused and creative. End with actionable insights. Summarize the key takeaways at the end of the session so everyone leaves with clarity and direction. Workshops are where the magic happens. Whether online or in person, our workshops are tried and tested to uncover the brand's identity. Let me break it down for you. Our branding workshops are divided into 7 acts, each focusing on a key element of your brand. Let's explore them. We start by defining the brand purpose, the why behind your brand. Purpose-driven brands stand for something meaningful and resonate deeply with their audience. In this act, we make it fun by imagining your brand as a superhero. What evil is your superhero brand fighting against? Whether it's poor construction standards or lack of transparency in a service, this exercise helps uncover what your brand truly stands for. It's engaging, creative, and sets the tone for the rest of the workshop. Next, we define your brand vision, the ultimate ambition of your company. Imagine, it's 10 years from now and your brand is on the front page of a major newspaper. What's the headline? This activity aligns the team around long-term goals and helps paint a vivid picture of what success looks like. Once we know where you're headed, we map out how to get there. The brand mission defines the steps you'll take to achieve your vision. We start by answering key questions. What do we do? Who do we do it for? How does it help them? Then we shift focus to future needs. What do we need to do? Who do we need to do it for? This structured approach ensures your mission is both actionable and inspiring. Every strong brand has core values that guide its actions and decisions. In this act, we brainstorm principles your brand believes in, such as innovation, inclusivity, or sustainability. Once we gather everyone's input, we refine these values into something unique and impactful, like IKEA's combination of humbleness and willpower. This ensures your values truly reflect your brand. Your brand personality is what makes it relatable. To uncover this, we ask a fun question. If your brand were an animal, what would it be? Whether it's a lion for ambition, an owl for wisdom, or an otter for playfulness, this act reveals the traits that set your brand apart and create an emotional connection with your audience. In this act, we identify your ideal customers by creating personas. Each participant picks a photo and builds a story around their chosen persona. what they do, how they live, and why they choose your brand. This process brings clarity to your audience and helps tailor your messaging to resonate with them. Finally, we focus on brand positioning, how your brand is perceived in the market. By analyzing competitors, we identify what makes your brand unique and create a positioning statement that ensures you stand out. This final act ties everything together, giving you a clear and compelling identity. And there you have it, the 7 acts of our branding workshops at Maldicore. From defining your purpose to crafting your positioning, these workshops are designed to uncover the true essence of your brand and set you up for long-term success. The online version of the workshop offers more flexibility, with variations tailored to the number and type of workshop participants while still delivering the same impactful results. If you're curious about any of these acts or want to learn more about our process, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our branding questionnaire at https://o.maldicore.com/b. It's a great place to start. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video in our series. I'll see you next time.